Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word seaside. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. I love taking long walks along the seaside, listening to the sounds of the waves crashing against the shore. Seaside refers to the area along the coast or a location adjacent to the sea, often characterized by beaches, ocean views, and a maritime atmosphere. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.